So that's the word coming in from the management of Philips Carbon Black. But we have to address Bajaj Electrical's earnings now. They came out earlier today and looking a bit weak actually. Shekhar Bajaj, the chairman and managing director of the group, now joins in. Hi Mr. Bajaj sir, good afternoon to you sir. I want to begin by asking about your consumer products business, because there a bit of disappointment has come in, not just on the top line but as well on the margins. There's been some drop that we understand in demand for CFL as well as some of your LED products. Is that the only reason, and do we expect this to in the second half of the year stabilize or in fact even improve?
You are right, absolutely. It is clearly because of the lighting segment, the lighting BU, which is shown a 31% negative growth, which has resulted in the minus 5.4% for the consumer product group. But otherwise, if you look at all the other areas, whether it's appliances or fans or refrigerators, all of them in terms of their bottom line, in terms of their margins, there's an improvement. Because the numbers are not coming, that's why it's minus 5.4%. And therefore in the third and fourth quarter we expect that lighting will continue to be weak, but the other segments will be more than enough to take care of improving our top line and as well as our bottom line.
Okay, so what have the overall volumes been like this quarter?
See, overall we've had a negative growth of about 10%, and our sale is about 1,000 crore for this quarter, and our profits from last year's profit before tax from 30 crores has gone down to 25 crores. But the important aspect is 14 crores is the loss that we have got because of lighting alone. Lighting has degrown by 31%, and the profitability compared to the previous year has gone down by a total of almost, as I said, 14 crore. So therefore that's a major hit which is taking place, which is hurting the consumer product group. If we minus that, then the other products are doing reasonably well.
Okay, sir, just stay with us. Let's just look at the intraday performance on West Coast paper as well. It's another blockbuster set of numbers. We also had Sesha Sai paper deliver a pretty strong set of numbers, at least optically, and now it's West Coast. And this is again a top-down performance. The sales themselves are looking very, very smart, for 45 crores versus 411 crores. And operationally, the company has kept a tight leash on its expenses and costs as well. So that's why you're seeing a good EBITDA performance as well, and the margins have been better. Anyway, Mr. Bajaj, just to come back on the outlook as well, as you're looking at the second half of the year, if you could start, okay, I don't think we have Mr. Bajaj any longer with us, unfortunately. Well, on that note, let's quickly slip into a break. Market still up about 1.5%, mid-cap still racing away. We'll come back and answer some queries and questions.